Well, hello, Pisces. So in May, the sun is illuminating your third house of communication and social groups before transitioning into your fourth house of home and family. Pluto, the planet of transformation and change, is retrograde in your 12th house of spirituality, karma, endings, and healing. So, okay, Pisces, you've got a heavy energetic influence as it tends to be when the devil shows up in a reading and Pluto is retrograde in your 12th house. Now, right away, the messages I am receiving for you is that the mask is off and you see or saw the truth of a situation. Now, retrograde Pluto in your 12th house of endings is not playing around. It arranged the perfect scenario to enable you to peek behind the curtain, so to speak. And once the devil is exposed, he is defeated, for his grip relies on darkness to hide his true intent. But I think we've given that energy enough focus. There is a bright side. So let's get to that. So with your third house of communication activated, I would not be surprised if you transmute this epiphany into a fulfilling career where you heal and support others. Some of the most badass healers, therapists, counselors, and psychiatrists I know have strong Pisces as well as Scorpio placements in their charts. Both Pisces and Scorpios are powerful water signs that seem to have a knack for successfully blending the esoteric sciences with conventional methods, resulting in positive results for their clients and patients. Now, as my younger viewers are graduating soon, the previously mentioned careers may be a future path that you are considering. I'm also picking up that some of you are currently or will be advocates for children. Now, if you have been considering starting a social media channel, your tarot cards and astrology support it. Now, with Jupiter in your third house, I would not be surprised if you have a video or post go viral. Now, others of you are healing individually by cutting the cords to emotional baggage that is no longer relevant for you, whether this is through self-work alone or in conjunction with therapy or counseling. There is a beautiful breakthrough indicated here by the Four of Wands, and this frees you to pursue your goals unfettered, resulting in personal and financial freedom that places you on a prosperous new timeline. So Pisces, May is looking really good for you. Now let's get to messages for relationships, and this is couples and singles. So for my established couples, I got to tell you the truth, with these tarot cards and your astrology, this could go either way. Now, Pisces, your pursuit of a higher calling, new career, or furthering education does require that your partner be on board. Now, hopefully they will be supportive of this new version of you and or this new path that you're wanting to take. And remember, when two people care about each other, it's important that both allow the other the freedom to fly. Now, trust your intuition on this, Pisces. If something seems off, it may be time for that heart-to-heart conversation. Now, for my singles, May is a magnificent time for you. Markets and healing events will be a fun way to indulge in your spiritual and metaphysical side. Engage in the experience, but be wary of possible overspending, as the temptation to overbuy will be strong. One or two special pieces will serve you better than a bag full of stuff. Now, prioritizing self-care is also strongly indicated for you for the months of May and June. Now, if love finds you, that's wonderful. And it just might, because you're feeling sexy and y'all are out there feeling spiritual, wearing your crystal beads, looking good. I gotcha. I get it. But let's not forget that you have the devil in your tarot spread this month. So be mindful. And Pisces, I'm just going to say here, slow down. There is no need to rush. You've got plenty of time. And you may discover that July or August prove to be a more opportune time to pursue romance. Okay, Pisces, I think that about does it for me. I hope you found these messages helpful. And if you did, please like and subscribe. If you would like to schedule a private reading with me, contact me through the website. Okay, Pisces, I love you and I wish you all the best for the month of May.